All right, design is about organization as much as anything else. So it's always a good time to rename things, tidy up, etc. You know, you can never do that enough to help your future self and your team out. So I'm going to grab these components and pull them over to the component section that I'm building over here. Okay. Whoop. Did that again. And these assets were just for your tutorial, so just pull them off to the side here too. Grab all this. Bring them back. Oh, that makes me feel better about my life. Ease up with that. I'm not sure why that is darkened. Must have did something. Let me see. Looks like I just had an opacity here, so put that back to 100. Probably not on your file. Okay, so here's the method to this madness. Okay, so we're going to use the screen base as our basis for all our screens. So I'm going to drag this one over and rename it. Don't forget about that part. Home. Now that I've got variants, zoom in. I can go over here to my section and change that to section home. Oh, that's cool. Grab my screen base. Okay, this will be schedule. This will be messages. Grab these two. Neat. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in my base. Okay. So, schedule. Feeling proper today. Favorites with a capital. Consistency, you know, messages, and such. Alright, cool. Now, zooming in using Shift into, now we're in the schedule zoom. Schedule, alright, change this to schedule, change this to favorites, change this to messages. Oh, I didn't have that right. 1 second. Change that back to favorites. Change this back to schedule. Then go to search and search and search. Got it. Alright, I'm quite proud of myself for this. Alright, that's neat. Now we'll do a little prototyping.